Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to download the Replication Management Server from IBM Fix Central, install it on a Linux platform, and configure it for use with IBM Db2 Genius Hub. Navigate to IBM Fix Central. Under Product Selector, choose IBM Db2 Genius Hub. Next, from the Installed Version drop-down, select the latest available version. Then, choose Linux from the Platform drop-down and click Continue. Under Identify Fixes, choose Browse Fixes and click Continue. Now, select the QRepRest standalone tar file, which is the installation package for the Replication Management Server. Click Continue. Next, review and agree the terms and conditions, then click the file name again to start downloading the package. Once you click the file, the download will begin, and you'll see the download progress displayed. Once the installation package is available on your Linux machine, extract the tar file into the root directory. Now, run the quick installation file to begin the installation process. You'll be prompted to set two passwords. Make sure to remember both of them. The first password is used by IBM Db2 Genius Hub to connect to this Replication Management Server and will be required when configuring the connection. The second password is for the embedded Derby database. Now the installation process should complete within a few minutes. Once the installation is successful, you should see the service status showing both Liberty and Derby as running. Now, let's configure IBM Db2 Genius Hub to connect to the Replication Management Server. Open Genius Hub, click the navigation menu on the left-hand side, and then click Replication Management Server. On this screen, provide the Replication Management Server connection details, including the host name, port number, and the user credentials. Use the password that was configured during the installation, then click Test Connection. After the connection is successfully verified, click Save. Your Replication Management Server is now configured and ready to use with IBM Db2 Genius Hub. Thank you for watching. Hope this demo was helpful. Happy replicating!